In the snowy land of Tibet, hub of the Dharma, lie three temples unsurpassed in eminence, constructed through the aspirations of the three kings, who were themselves emanations of the three protectors, like a collar fastened to its shirt. Each of the temples is connected to extraordinary places of accomplishment. Of these, the Glorious Samyé Chimphu Valley is known as the hermitage of enlightened speech. The Pema Kathang states, "The valley of Chimphu is like a blossoming lotus." Thus, outwardly, Chimphu is shaped like open petals. Inwardly, it is Vajravarahi's dharmadayo, possessing the three liberations. Secretly, it is the expanse of the Vajra Queen's bhaga. In its center is Drakmar Ke'u-tsang, a red rock treasure nest, which rests on mountain slopes that rise like a victory banner.